Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are going to react to a Christmas advert come from Sainsbury, and I'm very excited to show you the video, so let's react together right now. Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are going to react to a Christmas advert come from Sainsbury, and I'm very excited to show you the video, so let's react together right now.
It was Christmas Eve, and everyone in the Thomas family was dreaming sweet dreams. Nicky and Debbie were dreaming about what Santa would bring them. Mr. Thomas was dreaming of a new bat. Mrs. Thomas was dreaming of something else.
Uh-oh, Mrs.
Finally,
Thompson.
of course, we have Mog. Mog was not dreaming sweet dreams. Mog was having a nightmare.
Poor Mom. Oh, it's on. Oh, be careful, Mark. Oh, oh, be careful. It's hard.
Hello, fire service. Hello.
The table. Oh. It looks like there's a shooting gun in the kitchen. Oh, Mark is flying. Oh, look at Mark. Poor her. She looks so scared. Oh, be careful. Mark is falling down. Oh, lucky. She's okay. Look behind you. Look at the Christmas tree. Uh-oh. Oh, run, Mark. Run. Oh, the fireman? Oh, yeah. The fireman comes.
Follow that chap. All clear, boss.
Look at the turkey. It's all black now. Oh, fireman. You don't need to put something in that now.
As the neighbours gathered, the fire chief told everyone how Mog had saved the day.
She deserves a medal.
I think she'd rather have an egg.
But there was no egg for Mog. There was no Christmas at all.
Oh, poor Thompson.
At least, that's what they thought. But everyone else thought that if the Thomases and Mog can't have a Christmas,
This is
they
so
can share
nice.
ours. So that's exactly what they all did.
Of unfortunate events and almost ruined Christmas for the Thompsons family, I thought that Mark will be in trouble for all the mess she caused, and but the ending was so sweet and so nice. So as we can see from the video, the message from this advert is very clear, as it always is. Things get better when we unite, and Christmas is for sharing. So I love this video so much, and I really hope that you guys like it too. And I just want to add one more thing, that the Thompsons are very lucky to have such the helpful, nice and kind neighborhoods. Yeah. So that's enough for today, guys, and I do hope that you guys enjoy my video and also the Sainsbury's advert. So don't forget to give my video a thumbs up, okay? And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe so that you don't miss any reaction video. So that's enough for today. Goodbye and Merry Christmas.